Uvlalotak. Kanuit Pizi. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible, always try, do our best, and cooperate with others. Today we're learning about the feelings wheel and how to use it. A feelings wheel is a tool for emotions. The feelings wheel helps us find words for our feelings, and it looks like a colorful circle with lots of emotions on it. Why should you use it? It makes it easier to talk about how we feel even when it's hard to find the right words sometimes. The feelings wheel is organized into two main parts. The center are the big feelings like happy, sad, angry, and then the outside are more detailed feelings like proud, lonely, frustrated. The wheel helps us go from general to specific feelings. Let's match some self-talk and some thinking with the emotions that might go along with it. In this photo, the self-talk is, I can handle anything today. Can you tell the person sitting next to you what you think the emotion might be? That's right, calm or peaceful. In this photo, the self-talk might be, this is so much fun. Can you tell the person sitting next to you what you think this emotion might be? That's right, excited. In this photo, the self-talk is, I'm enjoying this activity. What do you think the emotion is that goes along with this one? Proud or content. In this next picture, the self-talk is, I can do this if I keep trying. Tell the person next to you, what do you think the emotion is that matches this self-talk? That's right, determined or focused. In this one, the self-talk is, I can't believe it. Tell the person sitting next to you, what is the emotion that matches this one? Surprised. In this picture, the self-talk is, this is so hard. What do you think the emotion might be that matches this one? Frustrated. In this last one, the self-talk is, that's not fair. What do you think the emotion is that matches that talk? That's right, disappointed. You can use the feelings wheel to help you feel better throughout the day. Some things to try are to ask yourself, how do I feel right now? You can look at the wheel, start in those center main emotions, and move out to find the best word. Tell a friend, teacher, or family member what you're feeling. The feelings wheel helps you understand yourself and others better. Our closing question today is to think of a time you felt happy, describe the situation to a friend, and use the green outside feelings to find a more accurate feeling word than just happy in general. Go ahead and pause the video here to discuss. Have a wonderful Tuesday.